Was it deep?
Yeah. My car was
Fuck, man, I didn't want to turn around, but I started going through and my shit started smoking and shit, so I was just gonna back up and turn around. You're clear from here all the way to Greencastle. Yeah, I'm like right up the hill over here at the house. I just left Greencastle. But I mean, yeah, now fuck that. Especially you guys leaving, I'll be stuck down here with no fucking phone service over here. All right, bro, you guys have a good night. Well, goddamn, son.